Hi, I'm Dan from practiceproof.com and lawfirmmarketingstrategy.com. One is all about strategy and the other is all about execution, the tactics. In other words, my agency Practice Proof has been helping law firms grow for nearly 2 decades through executing everything to do with marketing. And lawfirmmarketingstrategy.com is all about one thing and one thing only, and that is strategy. And if you've been watching content like this for a while, you understand the differentiation and why most law firm marketing fails, because there is a lack of fusion between those very two things. In this video, I want to expose something about tactics and why your law firm might be running from agency to agency or expert to expert, looking for the Holy Grail and never ever finding it. The brutal truth about tactics: they operate within remarkably predictable perimeters. Now that is, of course, if you're working with an agency that gets law firms, and 95% don't. Take Google Ads. The average conversion rate sits between 6 and 9%. Yes, a good agency might squeeze out marginally better results, but we're talking single-digit improvements. The same applies to SEO. If you rank position 1 for a keyword, you'll get a predictable share of the search volume. Move to position 6 and that volume drops proportionally. Email marketing, the industry average open rate is around 24%. Meta or Facebook click-through rates between 0.8 and 1%. Now, can you beat these benchmarks? Well, of course you can. My agency is running some campaigns that are hitting 20% conversion rates. But these are exceptions that prove the rule. The tactical playing field is remarkably level. And this is the key point that most law firms miss. When everyone has access to the same tactical playbook, the variance in execution success between competent agencies is minimal. The real differentiator, the factor that drives transformational results, isn't tactics, it's strategy. Think about it this way. If 2 law firms are running identical Google ad campaigns within similar budgets and competent agencies, what determines success? It's not the tactical execution, it's the strategic foundation underneath it. The positioning, the target market selection, the value proposition, the brand architecture. The good news is that most law firms won't do strategy because it's hard and it requires real introspection. And there lies, of course, the opportunity for those firms that are prepared to do it.